In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on the United Airlines app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure you download and update the United Airlines app to its latest version available on your Android or iOS device. When you open up the app, you will be prompted to sign in using your credentials. If you sign in, it makes this process a lot easier. However, if you cannot sign in for whatever reason, or if you are signed in and you can't find your flight, all you have to do is open up the menu at the left side of the screen and then select Check In under the For Your Flight option. You will have to include some personal information and details about your flight, and if everything looks in order, you will be presented with your flight details. Double check to see if everything lines up, and in there you will be able to manage the flight, cancel it, change the date, and also, of course, check in. After you check in, you will have full access to the boarding pass, and you will have real-time updates about your flight. Open up the app periodically to check this. Make sure you arrive early after you do this process on the mobile app. If everything looks okay, you will be able to present this boarding pass when you are ready to enter the plane. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in on the United Airlines app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.